Hello everybody, Bob Mitchell here, and I'm gonna show you my toolbox I'm used for my HVAC service. So this is standard box from Milwaukee. I purchased it some time ago for 85 bucks, and I found it not so comfortable for my HVAC tools. It's good form, not so big but not so small. This dimension is acceptable for me. It's waterproof box. It's very well sometimes works. We work with the raining, and I decided to replace some inside parts of this box, and I did some drawers by myself, and I'm gonna show you what I did. So open the lid, so we see this rubber. This is for waterproof. And what I did, this is some aluminum drawers. So it's 1.5 inch size. It's fully enough for forced drawer to see, and enough the height, how it's work. We have enough space for to cover this hood. Then everything is good. So I have 1, 2. This is my field piece. 2. This is actually the line is most useful tool we use. This is impact driver. This is headlight. This is multimeter and field piece gauge, because we need to check force in the AC system, and I use this 2 pairs of tools. Then if I need something else, I can take it from this drawer and from this drawer. Let me take it by 2 hands, because this is special hand to take it by 2 hands. Give me a second. So it's some boxes for these electric parts, cargo clamps, some fuse, some screw like this one, some parts, tape, and fuse too. So this is my first drawer. I place it here. This 2 hands is much easy. It's place good. So next one. Yeah. So it's nice. This is 3rd. I used 2nd. And 1st. In original, it was some piece of shit like this one. I don't know how I can use it, just for my garbage. And so I want to show you how I did it. This is angle. I use my saw to cut it in 45 degree, and use glue, use rivets. This is sheet metal, and use the rivets and small angle to mount it. So I found it so comfortable, because usually we need to we need not so big quantity of tool, but every time to run to the van and back, it's not so comfortable. So I'm fully satisfied with this toolbox, because I have all tools I need for almost 60% of my HVAC job. And I can sit over here on the top. I can stay, my weight is approximately 200 pounds, no problem. So if you wanna more information how I did it, I can send you maybe some pics, maybe some explanation or dimensions. So that's for you guys. Enjoy. Maybe you need the same box, just visit the Home Depot, purchase this Milwaukee box, and you can fill it by your needs. So that's all.